Custom tokens are special objects that are dynamic and report information. They contain user-defined combinations of tokens and text to create custom statistics. The custom combinations are created using mathematical calculations and/or functional operators to define the custom token formula. These formulas can contain any token, including statistic tokens, keyword tokens, or even other custom tokens. Once defined, custom tokens are inserted the same way other tokens are inserted. During data analysis, the custom token formula is evaluated by FCS Express and the result is displayed. With custom token formulas, you can create mathematical expressions to combine tokens or text, create conditional statements using if, then, or else qualifiers, convert a string of numeric values into a text result such as positive or negative. So let's take a look at how we can create these custom tokens. By going to the View tab, you'll see that we have this custom tokens icon. By clicking on this custom token icon, we open up the custom tokens window. By clicking on the blue plus icon allows us to create that new custom token. In this field below the enter the custom token formula below, we're able to then introduce a formula. When we insert the equal sign and right click, we can insert a function. We have many functions that are already built in, like math, type conversion, logic, text manipulation, statistics, date and time, regression, SOP or standard operating procedures, color, comp matrix, data list, system, and channel calibration. You can use any of these, or you can actually introduce your own custom tokens as well. A commonly used custom token is an if-then statement, so that's what we'll be building today. We'll start with if, insert a parenthesis, and then we're going to introduce a statistic. I'm going to drag this plot here into my custom token, grab the statistic token, and I'm going to introduce cells and number of events. And now when I see this token, it's going to be in blue. This coloration is very important. If we right click, we're going to see that the result type is numeric. If we need a text type, we can select text and we'll notice that the coloration is now this orange color. So it is important to notice what result type you need. We're going to switch this back to numeric so we can complete our equation. When the number of events is less than 50,000, then insufficient. Else, approved sample size. Now it is important to test these custom tokens, so I generally pull them out and test them in a text box. When I drag and drop it here, it's going to report the finding. So it's insufficient now. I don't have enough cells. So if I were to take a 0 out, then it's approved sample size. And as I move the cells around, we should also be able to find different regions that then report insufficient. Once you have tested your custom token and are happy with it, you can also right-click to rename it. Sample size reporter for this example. You can add as many or as few custom tokens as needed, and you can also even create custom token folders to help organize your custom tokens. And this, of course, can also be renamed as well. Let's go ahead and take a look at another analysis layout. The custom tokens demonstrated today were quite simple, but as you can see, we have advanced report capabilities. Not only can we extract keywords from the data, we can do conditional font formatting to increase font size or really highlight it and make a value stand out. We can use statistical tokens to ensure that you are getting the information that you need for your data analysis. We have statistical classifiers that define levels of a statistic and can classify it as good, bad, positive, or negative, as seen in the viability assessment and the Linscate assessment. Our custom tokens can also perform simple or complex mathematical equations. Here we have ratios being reported. And we can even report important findings using an if-then statement. If we right-click here to format token, we can see that a custom token has been integrated into an if-then statement to determine if disease state is possible or not applicable. Let's go ahead and cancel this window. And all of these values, all of these things will update as we're moving around our gates. Additionally, if we change this viability gate here, you'll see that that report has now changed as well. So the use of custom tokens is very powerful in FCS Express. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us at support@denovosoftware.com.